When you open two or more files in Excel 2013, each file opens in a separate window. And this has lots of advantages, but it makes it harder to close Excel or to close all the files if you have more than one open. In previous versions of Excel, it was a little easier to close everything down. We'll take a look back at that and then see how to add that feature in 2013. Here is Excel 2010, and I have 5 files open right now. I can see those if I go to the View menu and click Switch Windows, and there's a list of everything that's open. If I go to the File tab, there's an Exit command here that will let me shut everything down, or I can close this one file. Or if I'm looking at the workbook, there's a big X up at the top right that would close Excel and anything that's open, or I can close each file individually. With the separate windows in Excel 2013, there's only one X up at the top right, and if I click that, it only closes this window. If I go to the File tab, there's no Exit command anymore, so I can't close all the Excel windows by choosing Exit. One way to close all the files is to use the icon on the taskbar. Right-click on the Excel icon, click Close All Windows, and that will close each individual window and close Excel. Another option is to add buttons on the Quick Access Toolbar. So if I click the arrow and click More Commands, here in the Options window I can choose Commands From, and for that I'll select All Commands. And I'm going to scroll down and look for a command called Close All. So here is Close All. I select that and click Add, and now it will be on my Quick Access Toolbar. The next one I'm going to look for is the Exit command. Here is Exit. I'll click on that, click Add, and now I'll click OK to close the Options window. So on this Quick Access Toolbar, I can see the Close All and Exit. If I click this button, it will close all the open files, but will leave one window open with nothing in it. So Excel would still be open, and I could quickly create a new file to work with. If I click Exit, it will close all these windows and close Excel. So I'll click Close All, and you'll see everything shut down, and I'll be left with one blank window. You might see some messages asking if you want to save files where there are unsaved changes, and I'm left with one window with no workbook open, so I'd be able to start a new file very quickly. For more Excel tips and tutorials, please visit my Contextures website at www.contextures.com.